Hello everyone, my name is Amit Shukla. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic. The topic is ratio and proportion. Okay guys, before I begin, let me ask you something. When you mix water and squares to make juice, how do you decide how much water and how much squares to add? This idea is connected to ratio. Okay guys, so that is called ratio. Yeah, and other way, a ratio is a way to compare two quantities of the same kind by division. Okay, guys, it shows how many times one quantity is contained in another. Okay, for example, if there are two apples and three oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges two ratio three. Okay, done. Acha. Next, guys, we will discuss compound ratio. Okay, guys. For example, the ratio obtained by multiplying two or more ratios is called compound ratio. Thick. Okay, done. Right. For example, if ratio are A and B 2 ratio 3 and B and C 4 ratio 5, then find the value of A, B, C. So what is the method to solve this question, guys? Let me tell you. First of all, compound ratio 2 ratio 3 and 4 ratio 5. Right. B, multiply 2 to 4 and 4 to 3, 3 to 5. Okay, guys. That is called reverse and style. Reverse and style. 2, 4, 4, 3, 3, 5. Okay, guys. Once more. 2 into 4, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 5, 15. I hope you understand. Okay, guys. Next. Okay, guys. Next, duplicate ratio. What is duplicate ratio? The square of a given ratio. Any square we have, okay, like A and B, and find the duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio means same number. A into A, it means A square. B into B means B square. So find out this question. 3 ratio 5. Yes, exactly correct. 9 ratio 25 because 3 square 9 and 5 square 25. I hope you understand. Okay guys, next topic is triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio is which means the cube of a given ratio. For example, A and B triplicate ratio AQ ratio BQ. Let's try 2 ratio 3. So what will be the triplicate ratio? This question? Yes, exactly correct. 8 ratio 27. Okay guys, subduplicate the square root of a ratio. Okay guys, duplicate ratio means square of the ratio and subduplicate ratio means square root of the ratio. Yes. So 16 ratio 25. So what will be the subduplicate ratio of 16 ratio 25? The answer will be 4 ratio 5. Okay guys. Next, subtriplicate ratio. Subtriplicate ratio, the cube root of a ratio. Okay. Triplicate ratio means, guys, triplicate ratio means triple of the number. It means cube of the number, and subtriplicate ratio cube root of a ratio. Okay guys, 27 ratio 64. Triplicate ratio will be 3 ratio 4. Okay. Next, inverse of the ratio means kya hai? The reverse of a given ratio. Like example, ratio 5 upon 7. So the inverse ratio will be 7 upon 5. Okay. Next, proportionate ratio. What is proportionate? What is the meaning of proportionate? When two ratios are equal, that is called proportionate ratio. For example, 2 ratio 3 equal 4 ratio 6. That is, both are proportional because both ratios are equal. Property of ratio. Ratio A and B can be written as A ratio B can be written as form of A upon B, where B is not equal to 0. Some properties are there. Please attention. Multiplying or dividing does not change ratio. If you multiply or divide the same number, the ratio will not be changed. Okay guys? If you multiply divide both terms by the same number, the ratio remain the same. For example, 4:3 divided by 2, the ratio will be 2:3. Ratio compare same units because ratio haven't units. Okay guys, you can only compare quantities with the same unit, kg to kg, rupee to rupees. Ratio is unitless. While comparing 10 kg to 5 kg, the unitless out, so ratio will be 2:1. Okay guys, we will discuss some important questions. The question is there. The ratio of boys to girls in a class 3:2. If there are 30 students in total, how many boys are there? So guys, first of all, we add these ratios 3:2. The total value of the ratio 5. Okay guys, and students, total student in the class 30. So 5 ratio is equal to 30. So 1 ratio is equal to, yes, 6. Yeah, 1 ratio is equal to 6 हो गया. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले हमें वैल्यू निकालनी थी 1 रेशियो. तो 1 रेशियो इक्वल टू 6 हो गया. ठीक, ओके डन. हाउ मेनी बॉयज आर देयर? तो हाउ मेनी बॉयज? 3 बॉयज. ठीक है, 3 into 6 इन 18 बॉयज. ओके, द आंसर विल बी 18. नेक्स्ट, a bag contains gold and silver coins in the ratio 4:5. If there are 36 gold coin, how many silver coins are there? So guys, we have given 36 gold coins. So gold coins value 4 ratio. 4 ratio is equal to 36. So 1 ratio is equal to 9. Yeah. 1 ratio is 9. So 5 ratio, value of 5 ratio. 5 ratio means value of silver coins. So silver coins will be 5 into 9 means 45. So answer will be option number A. Next. Rupee 900 divide between A and B. The ratio 2:3. Find out the amount of B. Okay guys. So 2 or 3 total ratio 5. 5 is equal to 900. So 1 is equal to 180. Okay guys. 180 into 3. So option will be D, and 540. Next, the proportional we will discuss before. When two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. A upon B equals C upon D. Then we write it as A ratio B proportionate C ratio D. Okay guys, A, B, C, D are in the proportion because A upon B equals C upon D. Types of proportion, fourth proportional, ठीक है, third proportion. Okay guys, mean proportion. Okay, I will discuss some important question like this. The ages of Ram and Syam are in the ratio 5:7. If Ram is 20 years old, what is the Syam age? So guys, total ratio, yeah, ratio of Ram and Syam 5:5. Okay, where the age of Ram is 20 years. So the ratio, we will take the ratio of Ram ratio is 5 and 5 is equal to 20. So 1 is equal to 4. Yeah, 1 is equal to 4. So what is the value of, what is the age of Syam? So Syam's age will be 7 into 4 and 28 years. Okay guys. Next, you will try this. Yeah, of course. You can do this. 3:5 is the total value of 24 liter. Find the quantity of water. So guys, this is the total quantity 24 liter, and total quantity of the unit 3:5. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is equal to 24. So 1 is equal to 3. So the value of water, quantity of water 3 into 3 equal to 9 liter. Okay guys. Sweets are divided ABC in the ratio 2:5. If C gets 50 sweets, what is the total number of sweets? Where guys, value of C ratio 5 in ratio 5. 5 ratio equal to 50. So one part is equal to 10. Total part 2 plus 3 plus 5. Total part is 10. So 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay guys, I will meet you tomorrow with next class. Okay, bye, take care and good luck.